Ever find yourself using the same clip multiple times in a video? Instead of importing it again, CapCut Mobile lets you duplicate clips in just a few taps. Start by opening your project and selecting the clip you want to copy. Once the clip is highlighted, scroll through the editing options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the duplicate button and tap it. CapCut will instantly create an exact copy of the selected clip, including any edits that have already been applied. This is useful when creating loops, repeating effects, building transitions, or testing different editing styles without affecting the original clip. After duplicating the clip, simply drag it to the position where you want it to appear in your timeline. Preview the result and continue editing as needed. And that's how to duplicate clips in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple feature that can save time and make your editing workflow much faster.